In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to replace smart quotes with straight quotes in Microsoft Word. Smart quotes, also known as curly quotes, automatically appear when Word formats your quotation marks and apostrophes. While they look polished, certain situations like coding, data entry, or publishing may require straight quotes instead. Microsoft Word provides a quick way to replace smart quotes with straight quotes without manually editing each one. To start, open your Word document and navigate to the Home tab. Look for the Replace option in the Editing group or press Ctrl+H to open the Find and Replace dialog box. This tool allows you to search for specific characters and replace them with others across your entire document efficiently. In the Find What field, type a smart quote. You can do this by copying one from your document or typing a quotation mark if your document already has smart quotes. In the Replace With field, type a straight quote. You can also use the Replace All button if you want to change every instance in the document at once, saving time and ensuring consistency throughout your text. If you want Word to automatically prevent smart quotes in the future, click on the File tab, then select Options. In the Word Options dialog box, go to the Proofing section and click on Auto Correct Options. Under the Auto Format as you Type tab, uncheck the option labeled Straight Quotes with Smart Quotes. Click OK to save your settings. This ensures that any new quotes you type will appear as straight quotes automatically, which is especially useful when working on coding scripts or technical documents. After completing these steps, review your document to ensure all smart quotes have been replaced. You can repeat the find and replace process for apostrophes if necessary, as they are often formatted as smart quotes as well. Using this method helps maintain a clean and uniform appearance in documents where straight quotes are required. By following these steps, you can quickly replace smart quotes with straight quotes in Microsoft Word and prevent them from appearing in future typing. This approach saves time, reduces formatting issues, and ensures your document meets any technical or publishing requirements. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.